I'm Frederick from Dropsolid. In this video, a very brief introduction in how you see Mautic projects in the Dropsolid platform. Let's dive in. As usual, you can filter on the types of projects. In this case, we're going to filter on marketing automation. Let's dive into the Mautic instance that we are using at Dropsolid. There are multiple ways that you can run Mautic on the Dropsolid platform. You can use it as a repository where you do the maintenance yourself and you can add your own plugins to your Mautic instance as you see fit. Or we can run it as a service, Mautic as a service, where we do the updates and the maintenance for you and you just have to worry about marketing automation. In the case for Dropsolid, in this case, it's Mautic as a service and there's a live and a staging environment. This is where you can see the backups, related products, which can be personalization or content management system, metrics related to the specific environments, and then obviously you can go to the login. Voila, and now you're logged in into the specific environment and you can see Mautic and its details. I hope you liked what you saw. We have more videos on this and more content on Dropsolid.ai. Thanks for watching.